These days, the disposal of untreated waste to landfill results in worldwide pollution of the soil, air and water, which results in long-term damage to the environment. An essential requirement for an integrated waste management system is collection by means of container systems. Containers from 60 to 1,100 liters can all be emptied by the same collection vehicle. It is the height of irresponsibility, both from ecological and economic considerations, to dispose of the recyclable materials from these containers to landfill. Organic waste constitutes the largest fraction. The use of Schäfer system makes it easy to collect organic kitchen or garden waste in color-coded containers. The compostainer, a very well-ventilated bin developed by SSI Schäfer, enables a fortnightly collection cycle to be used safely. By the use of differing composting processes, the open windrow process, for example, separately collected organic waste is processed into high-quality compost. The compost is used in gardening as a valuable soil improver. In this way, the total quantity of disposable waste is reduced by at least 35%. Consequently, the amount of refuse going to existing landfill sites and composting plants is reduced by 1/3. Waste paper and cardboard are collected in blue bins by the same collection vehicle and taken to the sorting plant. In the sorting plant, the waste paper and cardboard are sorted according to grade, then baled and reused by the paper mills for the production of new paper. Natural resources are being saved, energy consumption is lowered, and the landfill volume is reduced by a further 20%. Used glass is collected at central locations in glass banks made by SSI Schäfer. Clear, green and brown glass is collected separately. Using the patented emptying system, the container is quickly and easily emptied in a one-man operation. In the manufacture of new glass, 100% recycled glass is used. In this way, the landfill volume is reduced by a further 10%. By means of the color-coding system of the bins and containers, the separate collection is as easy as child's play. In Europe, mixed light packaging materials are collected separately in yellow-coded containers. They are then sorted in the sorting plant into their individual components, such as plastics, PET bottles, Tetra Paks and foil. They can then be fed back into the recycling loop. In this way, the landfill volume is reduced by a further 7%. Practical experience has shown how easy it is, depending on regional differences, to recycle 70% of the total waste arisings, with consequent long-term environmental benefits. We have decades of experience. Make use of them.